In this video, I will share with you how to create a services page in Hostinger website builder. This is the first example of the services page you will learn in this video. The second template is this one. This button I've added in this tutorial. And the third and the best services page is this example created using AI inside Hostinger website builder. This is a reviews page, a location, Google Maps location section, and a contact us form. Without any further ado, let's see how to create all of those three services pages in Hostinger website builder. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites list. Click on this edit website button next to your website built using Hostinger website builder. This is my website inside Hostinger website builder. Now to create a services page, just click on pages and navigation from this left side menu. This window pops up. Click on add page button, then select services from here. You can use this first template or the second one. Let's preview the first template. Let's hit preview button. This is the first services template. It comes with 6 photos and titles and little descriptions. Of course, you can edit all of these page designs from colors, text, and images. You can even add buttons below each photo or description. Now let's preview the second template. Same thing, pages and navigation, add page, click on services, and this is the second template. Let's preview it. This one comes with only 4 photos. Now to edit these elements, just click on the photo. For example, you can delete it from here. You can adjust the photo size like that. You can replace the photo. You can make this section height longer or shorter. You can add or place your big title above your photo. To add a new text or a button below something, just click on add elements, then select button and drag and move it here. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. You can edit this button text from here, or check my service. You can link to a page or an external web address or a specific section of your website. Now select your other page. Now for the style, you can edit the button size, the text color, the button color, the border of the button. You can add borders like that. Now let's see how to create a services page using AI in Hostinger website builder. It's also simple. Just click on pages and navigation, add page. Now, instead of services, click on this generate page button. This window pops up. Now, describe your page. For example, create a services page that showcases my plumbing services. As you can see, good effort, almost a great description. You can add, for example, I don't know what plumbing services are existing, and you can see here examples of good page descriptions. For example, for a coffee shop, you may write, create a service page for our community-driven coffee shop. We're more than just a place to grab a cup of coffee. We're a community hub where like-minded individuals gather to connect, collaborate, and savor the finest locally sourced coffee. For a fashion brand, you may write, create a project page for our sustainable fashion brand. Our commitment to eco-consciousness and ethical sourcing is reflected in every meticulously crafted garment, crafted from responsibly sourced materials around the globe. For example, here you can add or you can include services that your plan-build service offers. After describing your service page, click on Create Page. And this is the page I got. This is the first service, the second service. This is another section with a white background with two images. Of course, you can edit all of those off-topic photos. This is a nice review section. And this is a contact section with your business Google Map location, your address, and a contact form, your email, your phone number, and of course the page footer. I think using AI is way better than using these services to templates. And of course, after editing your page, don't forget to update your website to not lose or to publish these changes. Let's check my new page live. This is how it looks like live or online. I think this is a good start, or yes, a good start for a services page. And this is how to create a services page in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.